Hey everybody, Brett from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Hey, it's Friday, it's the end of the day. This is gonna be a short one for you. I have a 2011 GT, it's an auto, 91 octane, running our ROUSH Supercharger package. We're gonna go over in a minute, talk a little bit more about it. But hey, I dynoed this car yesterday. I already know what it makes. We're talking over 500 of the tires, but the car is pretty filthy because hey, it's wintertime here in Indiana, so I wanted it washed so we could take a closer look. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify and stay up to date. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here's what we have going. This isn't just the ROUSH package. This does have a set of long tube headers on it. And we did install a rear cylinder cooling kit because on a package like this, you know I love cooling mods, I always talk about it. But this particular client does work on his own car also. So he installed his gears, he installed a Circle D torque converter, and he will install a higher capacity radiator down the road when he gets the car back. But Doug, come down here and take a look. We did the 710R package. So you get the spine, 82mm pulley. It's an intercooled supercharger. These come in multiple power levels, 626, 650, 710. The 710, you get the awesome ROUSH cold air intake, Kennedy Bell booster pump, colder spark plugs, of course upgraded injectors, SCT programmer, and the proper calibration. So this is an automatic 91 octane. This car's out of Wisconsin. So I'm going to show you this down and pull, but there's a little bit more power to be made. If you're the type of person getting 93 or something a little bit higher, let's go check it out. All right, a couple things I didn't mention. How do you read more about this? In the description, I'll put links to the rear cylinder cooling kit. You know, what is it? I'm talking pretty fast here. You can click on those, read a little bit more about it, all the cooling mods, the different horsepower levels of ROUSH, as well as different exhausts we offer. But right here, DynoJet, SAE, Doug, come over here. Automatic 91 octane, 566, real horsepower at 7,300 RPM. Torque comes in great at 489 at 4,500 RPM, and torque is over 450 right when I go wide open throttle, pretty much all the way across the board. So what I like to do is go over here and take another look at the supercharger and tell you like why there's different horsepower options, like what different things come in them. Take one more look at this car. So hey, and also I was talking a little bit earlier about 91 octane. 93, what's the difference between 91 and 93 on a blower car? Typically 25, 30 real horsepower. But this one's stuck on 91 octane because that's what's available in the area. So here we have it, 11 GT, automatic, pretty clean car. Doug, let's take another look at the supercharger. I'll talk about the different options. You know, these are Brenspeed packages. That's the links you're gonna see in the description. ROUSH makes kits you can buy, like 50 state kits, but these are different. We have different pulleys, different air inductions, different calibrations. Typically, quite a bit better power than what you can get out of a 50 state kit. But our 710R, 82mm pulley, just like around 910 PSI. You get the cold air induction system. We give you the booster pump. Of course, the spark plugs, the colder spark plugs that we like to use, and you know, the calibration tuner, everything like that. You don't have to get 710 flywheel. You can do something like 650. So you're not gonna get the air induction system. It's gonna be a closed air box. So if you have an RS3 ROUSH, you can upgrade to this, but you notice when you look at yours, you probably don't have this air induction system. You have the closed air box, and that's what's on the car from the factory. And we do have kits that use that, even with our calibration on it, but it's a little bit restrictive at high RPM. And then when you get down to that 626 horse kit, which a lot of people like, it's kind of like the first starter kit, it's less boost, all right? So the 650 and the 710R use the spine 82mm pulley, different inductions. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Check that description. I'll have links to everything I'm kind of talking about right here. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Say what's it cost to get built. Subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching.